Understanding Saxophone Book in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase, saxophone book. This phrase might sound unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and usage in English. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase. A saxophone is a musical instrument known for its distinct sound in jazz and classical music. A book, as you know, is a collection of written or printed pages, bound together and covered. So, at first glance, saxophone book might seem like an odd combination. But is it really? In English, phrases can often be understood in two ways, literally and figuratively. Literally, a saxophone book could refer to a book about saxophones or music. Figuratively, it could be an idiom or a metaphor. However, saxophone book is not a common idiom or metaphor in English. So, in this case, the literal meaning is more likely. The meaning of saxophone book can vary depending on the context. For example, 1. Music class. Please bring your saxophone book to the next class. Here, it likely refers to a book for learning the saxophone. 2. Bookstore. Do you have any saxophone books? In this scenario, the person is probably looking for books about saxophones or saxophone music. Sometimes, you might come across phrases in English that aren't idioms or common expressions. In these cases, understanding the context is key. Always consider the situation and the speaker's intent to grasp the meaning of uncommon phrases. That's all for today. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, saxophone book, and shown you how understanding the context is crucial in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore new phrases and expressions. See you in the next video.